And we're gonna see what attractions do you may get one. Okay, all to define their children. Okay? Alright guys, first of all, let's look at your right hand side here. What do you see? It's a Tarzan treehouse, the home of Tarzan. If you guys want to go to visit Tarzan treehouse, maybe later your Tarzan is on vacation. So make sure wait for them to come back and you can go to visit his treehouse. Alright, now we are on the world longest river, riding across 4,000 miles long. But I do a short time that won't take too long, so don't worry. Alright, now from the entrance of the jungle, what do you see up there? Yes, the mommy elephant and the baby have been waiting for us. The mommy has been teaching his baby learning to use his trunks. Oh, it's so cute. Don't worry, you won't start on that, it's still running, okay? Maybe next time. Alright guys, and look at your right hand side here is something you don't usually see, but I did this is rather than taking a shower. You can tell we're taking a shower 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Look at those wrinkles. Sometimes it's so naughty to spread on us. Alright, oh look at this babyless little father.
Alright, seriously?
Alright guys, better hurry, here we go again. Here we go. Just kidding. Gotcha. That's why they call it a dry humor. Uh-oh, since we get lost in the jungles and the ancient temples here. Oh, look at that. Thanks, right waiting for you. Make sure don't put your hands out. Put your hands out and look at your handshake. This spider can jump over 20 feet, but we just 10 feet here. They would jump right over us to the other side. Don't worry. Okay, up ahead is the golden tattoos of the alpaca Croatia. And the securities can cobalt. They can cobalt the more toxically in this jungle. I'm gonna get nice over.
Oh my god.
Alright, now let's go deeper in the jungle. And look at that, what's waiting for us? Oh, many crocodiles waiting for you. They seem so hungry and they eat breakfast today. And did you ask why they are not moving? Because they are waiting for you to take a photo. So we stay still here forever. You got that. Alright, please stay seated. Thank you. Alright. Now, look up ahead. Is the elephant? It's Professor Pooh and James campsite. But look like they forgot to lock his door. Wow. And the gorillas here. It's gonna be got all this inside. Hopefully it won't mess up the cell collections here. Alright guys, welcome to the Africa Vale. And you can see some zebras, giraffes, and also Africa elephants. Oh, did you guys know how is the gender of the male zebra and female zebras? The male zebra is white with black stripes, and the female one is black with white stripes. Got it? It's all the same. Alright, here's the second biggest animals in the jungle, the Africa elephant. And what's the most biggest one? Right there. That's the most biggest one. His mother-in-law. Oh, look at that. What's in the water? Ooh, many hippos there. They're so heavy. They're 6,000 pound creatures. You can easily get by your bones. Better watch out for that. Ooh, watch out. What is that? They just smell that. They smell terrible. They didn't brush their teeth. Oh, look at that. The Pooh safari is here. That boy saying find those zip codes. Now chased by the rhinos. Look at us, I guess laughing at them. Alright, we just let them here. They stuck in the tree around 15 years already. Oh, look at that. Many scouts there. Alright, we are entering the hand and the territories. Oh, this spray is so creepy. We shouldn't be here. Alright, let's go. Hurry up. Whoa, get down, get down, get down. You guys okay? And then also said on your hand. Your hand still there? Okay, my hand is still there. Alright, raise your hand if you don't make it out. I will come back for you later. Alright, you can throw the poison out of bed. Make sure to pull it out and pull it back to the river. With all around the brain and so with yours. Alright guys, get back to the door. Shout something out. Everything will be alright. I guess. What happened? We need to go soaking wet. no, we go to the wrong place. It is forbidden cannon of the cat. That's the place where the body cat of fire and the god of water. Over there, remember where to go. Let's go backward. Uh-oh, we get trapped. Oh no, it's getting angry. Oh, everybody, let's try to pull it out. Wow, come on, us.
Whoa!
Look at that. There's fire. You guys alright? Yeah, we made it! Thanks for the one that can save us. Oh, it's so hot. Oh, did you hear the noise for this turn? Oh, look at that. He's the baby elephant. Welcome as we are back. Alright guys, let's say bye-bye the baby elephant. Bye-bye. Alright, now we have finally get to the boarding spot. It's return to the supply stations. People will get back to the dock. Make sure to remain seated with your hands, arms, feet and elbows inside the boat. And we are ready to get back to the dock. Okay, it's the last question. Did you guys enjoy this journey? Yay! Alright, if you enjoy this journey, please remember my name.
Wait. Whoa, wait. Last one. Up. See, Myra. Up. Calm down. Hey.
What's going on me?
Oh, our umbrella is so small, okay? If you want big one, you stay over there, okay?
Where?
There.
Where?
Over there.
Where? Over there?
Wow, Myra, see? Wow, so dark.
Beware, 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 beware. I'm here for one horse. His family. At last, the rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say